My name is Frehiwot Tesfaye. I am working for ATTSVE project as program manager. So my journey to this leadership position starts when I think about leadership position. I have experience of putting goals, setting goals, and working towards that goal, and I believe that I can do and achieve that goal, and I put what I have. When I put my goal, I am envisioning myself whether I have something or not to achieve what I have said. So I was working towards my goal, and so that I was able to achieve this goal. And when it comes to the current leadership position, I think when I was in the project, I was promoted as from officer level to institutional strengthening coordinator, and then I was also applied for the program manager position because I believe that I can do if I use my effort, and if I have effort and commitment, I can able to achieve this. So I have worked towards that, and I compete with other external candidates, and finally I have got this chance to be the program manager. By the way, I have been also in the leadership position in my previous organization with the capacity of department head for the country program office of organization. So I have been a leader leading for almost 6 years. So I think for that I have been working so that I have achieved. So one of the thing I did is just to set a goal and working towards. I was working hard, committed to achieve my goal. That's why I become in the leadership position. I think the challenges as a woman is, as you know, in our culture, women are not favored, especially when it comes to education, and also as well as women are not appointed in a leadership position. But these are the challenge. Even the perception of people towards women is very difficult and discouraging sometimes. And I have tried to empower myself. This is my effort to just empower myself. I have been building my confidence so that I am thinking I can do it. I know I can. I developed an attitude which is I can do it attitude to overcome the challenges. I think I was thinking that I can do whatever it is. That's what I have learned from my past experience. So I have been doing my best to try to achieve more. As a woman, there are also challenges when it comes to, especially you have too much responsibilities in the household, as well as also you have also responsibilities at office. So I have been managing my time by planning, and I was able to overcome those challenges. I think we can get women into leadership position. It's important to give training for women, especially not only at higher level. It's important to give training at even secondary level, primary level. so that women knows that how they can achieve. I think training is one component. The other thing is it's important to build the self-confidence of women so that they can think, they can develop an attitude of I can do it, I can make it. This kind of attitude has to be changed. The other thing is it's important also their perception towards themselves has to be changed, and all this has to be done from the women's side. And from the society side, it's important also to aware people, including men, so that they can understand the role of women and also as well as their challenges. I think for the other women, they have to think that they can achieve whatever they have planned. If they are committed and if they give time for what they have planned, they can achieve it. So it's important to build their self-confidence, and also I think it's important also to learn from those people who have good achievement as a role model, so that they can also develop the skill and knowledge to achieve more. So it's important for the women to say I can do it, to develop I can do it attitude.
What should institutions like ATTSVE be doing to ensure that there are more women in leadership positions?
I think for the institution, it's important to put in place some structures and system which is in favor of women, so that women can come to the leadership position. It's important. Their commitment and their commitment and understanding is also important. It's also important to aware those ATTSVEs about the role of women, and it's also important to show the ATTSVEs that there are women who achieved a lot, and it's important for the ATTSVE to give them even training, and also to put some structures and system which is in favor of women.